Welcome guys, this is our first video to play MM2. I'm Celine and she's Paley and Paley is here.
Hi guys.
As you know, she's kinda slow. We don't want to be famous. We just made vlog because it's boring to hide our no. What did I get, bro? Okay, I'm gonna move to the I'm going there.
Haha, I got you.
Unfair. I swear my whole life, if this is cat like 100 like or 200 like, we're gonna hands reveal. Just hands, not face, because we're not famous yet. So we are noob. We don't have Robux because we are still young to make this video. Our parents won't allow us to give us Robux. Slide, slide, slide. Oh, sheriff. Excuse me, guys. I don't wanna say bad words because bad word is not for kids. If you're a kid watching our video,
Why you always camping, bro? You keep wall camping.
nah. I told you I'm bad at be sheriff. Don't like to be sheriff. Nicholas. Why factory? Why factory? Oh, bad word. I don't wanna say it. Factory. Okay. Please. You can add friend us if you want to. This is our account. You can screenshot. I'm gonna wait here. Celine, Tanya, the old. Oh, bruh. I'm gonna crash out. You better pa. Okay, I'm gonna use. Oh, come on.
Bro!
Meant to do that. I don't have the shell yet. I want to get the bubble. Want to get the bubble.
Let's play soccer ball.
There's no ball in there.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know.
I know. I know. How do we get this bubble blower and bubbly? Yeah, that.
Bubbly.
How?
Sheriff.
And again,
Are you
I got
serious right
bubble.
now, Nicholas? Are you serious with that, bro? Like, bruh, I don't want to be. Bro, I don't like pear. Pear is like apple, banana, chicken, banana. No! My mom is kind of homeless. No, my mom is kind of homeless. Forgive me. My mom is kind of homeless.
How'd you get up there? Oh.
Only tiny people can go.
Oh my. Oh.
Bro.
Haha. Oh my god. Like, how did you actually get up there?
Only
I
tiny
can't.
people.
I can't even go up there.
Only tiny people.
In real life, I'm actually taller. She's smaller and I'm
Shut up!
okay.
Bye bye.
Hello guys, we're noobs. Yeah.
Bro. Bro, those are old clothes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Someone that has gone to my first night. I have 100 bucks.
Miranda. Hello.
No, my mom's gonna homeless. Just you know, as the Sonaira when I'm falling for you.
I only woke up for 1 minute. Yeah, like I do this.
1 minute? Are you sure 1 minute?
Yeah.
It was like 10 seconds.
No, that was 1 minute. No, I mean 1 second.
What do you mean 1 second? One. Done.
When you came out, I
Ay,
will come in there.
choose this one.
We're not
That's
really
hard.
we're
Okay, let's
not
hear.
we're not really good at English because we're Asians.
She's lying. We're Philippines.
We're Asians.
No! Kung Bisaya ako, binano ka Bisaya man ko. So that's mean why I can say Bisaya because I'm from Philippines. That's mean. If you're Bisaya, you understand.
Hello.
I
Bro,
swear I'm
why are
gonna
you screaming
crush
like
on.
that?
Screaming
Oh,
from the
how do you do that?
I
I'll
want
do
to
it.
be mother war.
Oh,
Freak you. Freak you, Nicholas. Want to be mother war. Keep losing and
you wanna
losing my mind.
you wanna be murderer? I keep getting murder and I don't like it. Mansion too.
Mansion too.
Yeah.
House too.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, man.
Okay.
Bro! Bro! Sorry guys. She's sick. Little sick, but
I'm
not that
sick
sick.
about this game. You vegetable. Slide. Mama, oh. Mama, mine.
Murr!
Ay! I swear I'm gonna be dinosaur. I swear I'm gonna be the chicken in the tree.
Girl!
Macarena. Let me win! Dai, for the minute, Dai, can you wish? Dai, padogay ko sa. Can you let me win? Just one.
Okay, okay. Next round, next round. In next round.
You can win. My hair is windy. Charot. Chair is just. If you don't like our vlog, sorry. Sorry.
Bro!
We're gonna almost end the video, so we're gonna make a new one because it's only 90. We're gonna stop like I don't know. You vegetable. Next round.
It's been 9 minutes. Yay! Yay! Yay!
You
Yay!
can hear the whistle from my
Lord.
home.
Oh my god. Oh my god! Don't come here.
Come
Don't
here.
follow me.
Come here, babe. Ada, you told me you let me win. Told me you let me. Guys, we're gonna crash out. Yeah!
Girl, I'm sorry, girl, but you were like this. Yeah, and I should.
Unfair, bro, you laggy.
I'm loud.
Yes, sir.
Am I lagging?
Nope.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Di ba gawin?
Shh. She said she eating boogers.
No, I didn't say that. I said I'm tired.
She's eating boogers.
Girl, shut up. Shut up. Shut up, please.
Shuru! Ah! No food!
Merge. I got murderer.
Are you serious
I
right now,
got
bro?
murderer. I
Are you
wanna get shot
serious
because
right
I
now,
wanna
bro?
get a trick shot.
Mm,
Oh my god.
God. Gonna have.
Oh, okay.
I said criminal! They let me win, die. Die, let me win. Die! Can you give me like one score, a plus? Bro, can you like. Okay.
Okay,
So,
I'll let you win this time, bro.
I'm sorry, we're gonna end the video and
Sorry, sorry guys. We're bad at English.
goodbye.
We're bad at English.
Spanyol. Nalay ko to.
What?
Never mind, bro. I'm gonna end. Okay. Last round, please. Last round. Last round. Don't ever, 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 ever leave. Stay right there. And don't leave me alone.
I wanna feel what content creator be like.
Bruh.
I wanna
Bruh,
feel.
I want to be like, I want to meet like JD. Like, yeah. Did you jealous of my mansion?
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Hey, yo. Jojo jealous of my mansion?
Girl, where are you?
I don't know.
Okay.
Michael, what are you doing? Ginga. Chicky. Bro, I love Michael Jackson.
Oh my.
Criminal. Bro, I never win at murderer.
Okay.
I never win at murderer, bro. Can you stop sleeping, please? Ma'am?
Oh!
Ma'am? Bro!
Oh
You
my
tricked me.
god.
You tricked me. You tricked me.
We don't wanna face reveal because
We're not famous!
yeah.
Just hands reveal.
Okay, okay, okay. I'm bad. I'm bad. I know I'm bad.
Boko, why not?
Girl.
Bro, I almost kill you. So we're just young, so we don't know how to edit. Um,
Whoa! How did I do that?
sorry guys, bye bye. I'm overrated.